Click on the link below to get price. The Mighty Hoop 5. 5 with 11 by 13 kit for BAI Commercial Embroidery Machines stands out as a must-have accessory for anyone involved in serious embroidery work. The core feature of this product is its innovative design, which significantly enhances the ease and precision of the embroidery process. One of its most impressive aspects is the magnetic hooping system that allows for quick and effortless setup. Traditional hoops can often be a hassle, requiring time-consuming adjustments. However, the Mighty Hoop's magnetic design enables users to align their fabric seamlessly, ensuring a secure hold that minimizes the risk of misalignment. The 5 size is particularly versatile, catering well to a wide range of projects from smaller designs to larger pieces, particularly when paired with the included 11 by 13 kit. This combination allows for impressive flexibility, making it easier to tackle various embroidery tasks without the need for constant tool changes. Whether you're working on detailed logos or intricate patterns, the Mighty Hoop maintains consistent tension, which is crucial for achieving quality results. Durability is another strong point of the Mighty Hoop. Constructed with high-quality materials, it withstands the rigors of commercial use without showing signs of wear. This durability is essential for professionals who rely on their equipment daily. Additionally, the kit comes with clear instructions, making it user-friendly for both novices and seasoned embroiderers alike. The only potential drawback could be the initial investment, as it may seem pricier compared to traditional hoops. However, considering the time saved and the quality of the final product, the cost is justified. In conclusion, the Mighty Hoop 5 with 11 by 13 kit is an exceptional addition to any BAI commercial embroidery setup. It combines efficiency, reliability, and ease of use, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to elevate their embroidery game. Highly recommended for both professionals and serious hobbyists.